Hey guys, we're back again with Savage Garage, and today we're going to be installing some of the parts we got for this mower. We got here an engine control cable for it, and we got a head gasket. So we got this stuff for it. We got more stuff coming, so this won't be a super long video. But make sure you clean where the head gasket's going to go up, get all the old gasket off of it. And then get a paper towel and clean up all the oil where it's going to be, because you don't want any oil or residue like that on it, on the head neither. And I cleaned up the head all pretty nice. So let me just set the camera up and I'll open this head gasket. All right. All right, I got it open. Here it is. So we want to position it on the head and put the bolts in so we can keep it in place. All right, let's just figure out how it goes on here. All right, like that. So let me get the bolts. I've already cleaned the bolts up. Alright, we're just going to slide these to the bottom. I'm going to pause the video and come back to you guys when I got all these in. Alright guys, got all these in here, it's positioned, so we're just going to put this back on here on the engine. Get it in place. I'm going to just loosely put all these in. Alright guys, I got all these tightened down to spec. Now we're just going to put the spark plug back in. Let me get the spark plug socket. Wrong wrench. Sorry. Alright. Alright, that's in there good. Now we're going to hook up this there. And now we're going to put this thing on. And then we're going to try to start it off of some carb cleaner and see how if it starts up then. Don't have the gasket for the carburetor yet, so we can't put that on yet. But that should be coming in the next few days. Now I'm going to try to get this gob of stuff someone put on here off. And I also need to get a new handle for it. I think I got one that'll fit it on one of my other mowers. So I'm just going to clean all this tape off and I'll be right back. Alright guys, I got all that junk off. And I got another lever. In case you guys don't know how to install one of those levers, it's literally, you just gotta squeeze it together and it comes right out. So I need to get another little plate right here to keep this lever from falling all the way over. But I'll get one of those in a little bit. But we're gonna install this now. So let me set up the camera so you guys can see. Hey guys, we got this engine control cable already installed. I lost the footage of that, so we're just gonna try to start it off with some carb cleaner right now. All right. All right, so it started up, so that's a good sign. So when we get the gaskets for this, we'll put everything back on. Should run good. So thanks for watching today's video, guys. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll be back with more videos when we get more parts in.